We must learn a lesson.
Those of you wey dey like drive una car, if the car no show light, say indication say fuel don finish, you know dey always go buy fuel put inside, refill your tank. Now let me break it down for you. In your tank, that time wey your light show, wey the fuel light show, depending on the size of vehicle wey you dey use, the size of your fuel tank, I will explain to you how many kilometers wey you fit go, how many distance wey you fit drive reach for that light. With that light, once the light come up, how the distance wey you fit drive reach, so that you go fit carry you go, the nearest filling station, petrol station, to get fuel. Yeah. The amount of fuel in your tank, as at when that light show, it depends solely on the capacity of your fuel tank and the type of vehicle wey you dey drive. Some vehicle, once that light don show, you have either 5%, some 10%, some 15% of fuel left inside that tank as at when that light show. So with that 5, 10, 15% of fuel wey you get, now you go take know how you wan take calculate yourself, drive go the nearest petrol station to refill your tank. Now these factors also get many things also wey dey affect am. I will explain that to you. Now I'll explain to you factors affecting distance of fuel reserve. The number one factors we are going to discuss is this: the vehicle type. As I explained earlier, telling you about maybe the size of your car, the size of the tank it go determine the amount of fuel wey go dey inside your tank as at when that light show. Now, regardless of the amount or size of fuel inside your tank, when that light, reserve light come up, it depends on this factor too, and how far you will go. The vehicle type. If you dey drive small car, the distance wey you go reach, e go different from person wey dey drive SUV or truck, because the weight of your vehicle also affect the amount of fuel wey you go use to drive to reach at a particular distance. Because that car, depending on the weight, and maybe as at that time you carry load, the energy wey that car need to move that heavy vehicle forward is lesser than the energy wey smaller car need at that moment, especially if you are carrying load and maybe the smaller car no carry anything. So the weight of your vehicle as well also, when driving on reserve. Now, another thing that affects this reserve fuel, can I drive on reserve for how many minutes or how many seconds, is this: the way you dey drive also. If you dey drive speed, or this is things wey fit affect maybe how far you fit go with your reserve fuel. If you dey on hold up, like those of us in Lagos, the amount of fuel wey you dey spend on hold up, e dey higher than say make road clear, make you just dey drive dey go. All those you brake, you stop, you brake, you stop, you move, you brake, you move, especially when you dey drive manual vehicle, the amount of fuel wey dey consume at that point, if to say make road clear, make you move straight dey go, you no go spend that much. Hold up, traffic, heavy traffic also contribute in consuming your fuel too. Yeah. So no say because shebi they don already calculate and say na the distance wey the fuel go reach, wey half tank go reach be this, so anyhow I drive e must to reach there. If road no free, make you dey drive small small, you stop you move, you stop you move, you are consuming your fuel dey go be that, even dey go pass person wey dey drive straight. If you are a frequent traveler and you drive a lot, you notice that if you dey express, when you dey drive normal driving, let's say 120 to 130 or 100 km/h, you notice, you observe say that if you drive for long for bad road, if you drive for bad road, you go notice say your fuel dey chop, dey go faster. The condition of driving, the capacity of your fuel tank, the vehicle type, all added together determines how far your reserve can go. So this is it. If you have anything to add, maybe comment or anything, or maybe there's any other topic you want me to discuss, I'm here. I'll read your comment.
Why are you gay?